Guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs vlog here. So today we're going to do unboxing these beautiful shoes from Adidas. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified of a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started! So there you go, guys. So I have here a beautiful shoes from Adidas, and again this is a Yeezy Boost 350. Oh, really good, beautiful box, guys. And again, we'll see the inside. So but anyway, again, this box or this Adidas is a Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebra. Okay, we're gonna go start unboxing these beautiful shoes, guys. Ta-da! Wow! Oops! Beautiful! Look at that! Wow! Nice one. Another one is nice, beautiful. I love the box and everything in there. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's a zebra. Yeezy. There you go. So anyway, guys, again, this shoes was been released February of 2017, and surprising that at the moment this shoes is up to $530. Wow, this is so still expensive, but I think the price is right. It's really good shoes basically, and they have here for the shoes. And wow, it's so beautiful, guys. The texture of the shoes, wow. And same thing with the lace, beauty, awesome. And the pull tabs, nice one. And this one is nice too. You know, the back of the inside, it's beautiful too. Wheel. And same thing with the, it's like rubberized kind of. Smells good. Smells brand new. So anyway, the insole here is white, and I think all of the design of the Yeezy is their insole is white, and the inside on this one here, as you'll see, it's nice one. Awesome, nice. Well, again, as you'll see at the back on that one here, it's gonna be nice. And never been used. It's so brand new. Look at that one. I think this is their design, because all of their Yeezys, you know, they have this kind of a design on their insole. I don't know, but anyway. So, but again, guys, Adidas is a block with their instant Yeezy Boost 350 B2, a fresh off heels of NBA All-Star Weekend. This Yeezy are nicknamed with the zebras and come with the classic white, black, and red color scheme. Sports and a white base upper and the black accent giving of the zebra strip vibe. And again, during the release date on this, on the February 25 of 2017, the price was $220, and the availability on this one here is only for men's sizing. And then Adidas will re-release the coveted zebras, giving fans worldwide one more shoot, obtaining one of 2017's most popular kicks If you got lucky with the first release, already you have pair on the lock from the re-release and or don't want to risk taking the L. Check out the marketplace where you can buy and sell the Zebra Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost V2. The online now. The rack, stock or flip, the choice of yours and yours alone. And the size of these shoes is size 12. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoy my unboxing these beautiful shoes here. So I think that's about it, guys. And again, I would like to say thank you so much, Romer, for letting me review these shoes. So but anyway, again guys, if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also watch out my other videos on this channel. And also I have lots of unboxing, so I hope you enjoy my unboxing in this channel. So anyway guys, again, my name is NoyTebs. Thank you so much guys for watching.